It's okay. We just need to get some video of him.
Alright, big show.
The dogs are listening to their canine lullabies, and this here is Scotty. He came out of Scott County, Virginia. Hi, and he's a lover boy. He's a sweetie, but he is super obnoxious and goofy. Yes, he'd do really well. Come on, Shannon, hold him there.
Come here, Scotty. Come here, Scotty.
He'd do really well to have a family that's really active, like be a running partner, jogging partner, walking partner, avid hiker. This guy's got a lot of energy. Here we go. Here we go. Tegan, quiet.
Take his dew claws off?
No, just in the back, because they were pretty dangly. The rear, he had rear dew claws, and I asked the vet to remove them. It makes me think he's got some blue healer in him. Scotty, come on, Scotty. Hi, Scotty. Come on, buddy. Call him over, Shannon.
Scotty! Come here, Scotty! Come here, Scotty! Come here, Scotty! Come here, Scotty!
Hi, Scotty. He's very sweet. Just need a very active family. But it goes hiking all the time. This guy would be great. Scotty, you want your rawhide? Oh, I'm happy now. I'm a happy boy. Did you want one, honey? I'll get you one, Stella. Now he's just going to be busy eating his chewy. So the dogs have been running around for about 5.5, 6 hours like wild children all playing together. So now it's nap time, so the canine lullabies are on. They're going to take their naps. Aw, didn't I give you one, honey? I'm sorry, Emmy. There's Scotty. You got your chewy. Good boy.